Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4 Resin 3D printer. I've been looking through the internet and analyzing its specifications, features, and overall value. And if you're looking for an affordable resin 3D printer that delivers exceptional print quality without a steep learning curve, the Photon Mono 4 is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. The biggest upgrade comes from its 7-inch 10K monochrome LCD display. With an impressive 9024 by 5120 resolution and an ultra-fine 17 x 17 micron pixel size, the printer delivers significantly higher detail than previous generations. Whether you're printing miniatures, figurines, jewelry prototypes, dental models, or intricate engineering parts, the level of sharpness and surface quality is excellent for its price class. Print quality is further enhanced by ANYCUBIC's proven LighTurbo matrix light source. This system provides evenly distributed UV light across the entire build plate, helping reduce visible layer lines while improving dimensional accuracy. The result is smoother surfaces, sharper edges, and more consistent prints from corner to corner. Speed is another strong point. The Photon Mono 4 can reach print speeds of up to 70 mm per hour, allowing you to complete models much faster than many older resin printers. Faster printing means shorter project times without sacrificing the impressive detail resin printing is known for. The build volume measures 6.04 by 3.42 by 6.49 inches, providing enough space for most hobby projects, tabletop gaming miniatures, cosplay accessories, prototype parts, and small production runs. While it isn't designed for very large prints, it's well suited for the majority of everyday resin printing tasks. ANYCUBIC has also upgraded the laser-engraved build platform. The improved surface provides stronger first-layer adhesion, helping reduce lifting and warping during printing while still allowing finished models to be removed without excessive effort. This improvement increases overall print reliability and minimizes failed prints. One feature beginners will appreciate is the simplified 4-point leveling system. After completing the initial leveling process and tightening the 4 screws, you generally won't need to repeat the procedure before every print. This makes setup much easier for users who are new to resin printing. The printer also includes power loss recovery. If electricity is interrupted during a print, the Photon Mono 4 can resume once power returns, helping reduce wasted resin, lost time, and failed projects caused by unexpected outages. Operation is straightforward thanks to the user-friendly interface. Even first-time users can quickly learn how to prepare files, level the build plate, and begin printing. While this model doesn't support the ANYCUBIC mobile app, all of the essential printing functions remain simple and reliable through the printer itself. The overall design is compact and modern, allowing it to fit comfortably on most workbenches or hobby desks without taking up excessive space. Despite its affordable price, the machine feels solid and well-built, giving confidence during long printing sessions. After reviewing everything the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4 offers, it's clear that this printer focuses on what matters most: outstanding print quality, reliable performance, and beginner-friendly operation. The 10K monochrome display, LighTurbo light source, fast printing speeds, improved build platform, simplified leveling system, and power loss recovery combine to create an excellent entry-level and enthusiast resin printer. So should you buy it? If you're looking for a resin 3D printer that delivers incredibly detailed prints, dependable performance, and easy operation at an affordable price, then yes, I think the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4 is an excellent choice. It offers remarkable value for hobbyists, creators, and anyone wanting professional-looking resin prints without spending a fortune. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.